Welcome to my colorful life. Come on in, sit down, relax, and explore color with me, Ilene and Nikki, in a different way. Thanks again for joining me on this collaboration. Hi everyone, it's Anne. I'm here for my colorful life, and I've already gessoed and prepped my calendar for this month. And because it's such a long and big calendar, I'm doing it sideways, this part, and then I'll get to the other part with turning it the right way. So I'm going to get started, and this month's colors are red and orange. So I have red, and I have the closest thing I had that was orange, all right? And don't forget, you can use white or black as to lighten your colors, or mix color to get another color, that kind of thing. But those are the colors you're going to use, all right? So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to start out with my background, and then I'm going to get to the next part. So I hope that you enjoy my process, and don't forget to check out Ilene and Nikki's YouTube channels, and I'll post links down at the bottom in the description box below to their videos for this month. All right, thanks again for watching. All right, so I'm going to start with the top half of this calendar page. Okay. So what I did, I took my Sizzix Big Shot and I cut out some hearts, and then I used my jelly plate to create these hearts using this month's colors, as well as white and black in these this month. So I outlined the hearts in different, so I outlined them with the black. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So anyhow, so I'm going to figure out where I'm going to place these, and I also cut out a saying. This is February, and it's Valentine's Day, so we remember those that we love. Okay, so I'm going to quickly cut this out with some fancy schmancy scissors, my border scissors. And I'm going to glue these down, glue the saying down, and so I printed this out on my computer, so I'm going to put it right about here. And then I'm not sure about the saying yet, where I'm going to put this part yet. That half, I'm going to flip it over and do this half. So there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed my take on this month's colors for my colorful life. And don't forget to go check out Ilene McInnes and Nikki Parr's YouTube videos for this month. I posted links down in the bottom in the description box below. And thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye, toodles.